Highlights from Unit 4. Here we discover in persuasion that symbolic convergence means the coming together, the coordination of symbols, of words, of images, of thought that allow people to share in what may become a rhetorical vision, an image for how society is going to progress according to this vision. So not only would you find that in science fiction, but you'd find it in new Supreme Court decisions. You'd find it in the ways that people symbolically use their persons, their personas, to decide on a course of action. Closely related to this is the idea of characters in particular settings and the actions that those characters will take. If we look at a closely related concept to symbolic convergence and rhetorical vision, we discover that there are three kinds of planes upon which people base their decisions. These are known as the righteous plane, the pragmatic plane, and the social plane. Within the righteous plane, people are looking at the good, the true, the just, and looking not only at that for their own lives, but also to protect the integrity and the freedoms of others. Within the other planes, the pragmatic plane asks what is practical, what is feasible, how can we work this out, how can we accomplish it. So it goes more specifically to the practicalities of the case. And then finally, in the social plane, the interactive plane, people would be looking strategically at who will be involved, who will we collaborate with, how will we get together and join our actions as a group. So if you're looking at these three planes from a persuasive goal that you're trying to accomplish, which might be a workout program, an exercise program. If you're looking at the righteous plane, you would be looking at what is true and right and good and just to honor your physicality and to make sure that your body can perform in the ways that you want to accomplish what you most want to do. If you're looking at the exercise program from a pragmatic plane, you would be looking at what fits with your schedule. What can you do to make this coordinate with the other things going on in your life? And if you're looking at it from the social or the interactive plane, you'd be most curious about, will my best friend be there? Will I be able to work out with an instructor who is fun, who's energetic? And if you're going to boot camp, those kinds of things could be particularly interesting, or to a new yoga class, in how you make your decisions. So audience members make their decisions based on these three planes, including righteous, pragmatic, and social.